Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable shared devices on your Mi Home app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on additional settings, just click on it here. So you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click on notification settings here. So then you just click here on system notifications. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come to shared devices here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's means shared devices disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.